Hi, Lovelies. If you're looking for a part-time remote job, you should watch this video until the end because I have 3 part-time remote positions that don't require you to have a degree, and you don't even need to have any experience for the last 2 positions. Please like, share, and subscribe for more remote jobs, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Here's an opportunity that could be a perfect fit if you're looking for a flexible remote role in healthcare and enjoy helping people. MaineHealth is hiring a patient service representative, PSR, for their Access Center team. This is a part-time remote role, and it offers a yearly salary between $36,000 and $44,000 per year, a solid option for balancing meaningful work with flexibility. As a patient service representative, you'd be one of the first points of contact for patients, which means greeting them warmly over the phone, scheduling appointments, and helping with other office tasks that keep things running smoothly. It's not just about answering calls. You'll also be managing patient data carefully and securely, ensuring everything is in line with MaineHealth's policies and strict confidentiality standards. It's a role where every interaction truly counts, helping patients feel seen and supported right from their first contact. You don't need a long list of qualifications to apply. A high school diploma or GED is preferred, along with experience in a medical office setting, though that's not required. If you're organized, people-oriented, and ready to contribute to a healthcare team, this could be a fantastic entry point into the field. What really sets MaineHealth apart is how much they value their team members. They offer benefits designed to support you today and into the future, including paid parental leave, flexible work policies, student loan assistance, and professional development opportunities. You'll also have access to well-being resources for you and your family, making this more than just a job. It's a place where you can grow and feel genuinely supported. If you want to work with people who care about delivering excellent patient care and about each other, MaineHealth is a wonderful place to build your career. Consider applying today to take the next step toward a job that truly matters. Moving on to Dermatology, they have 2 entry-level part-time remote jobs. You don't need any degree or experience to get hired. They will provide you with appropriate equipment for your work-from-home environment, such as secure laptop, monitor, headset, and webcam. We will start by looking at the scheduling assistant position. The role involves entering medical history information into the electronic medical record, EMR, system, a crucial task that helps ensure accurate, up-to-date medical records for each patient. While the main responsibility centers around this data entry, you'll also handle additional tasks as they come up, allowing you to expand your skills and keep things interesting as the needs evolve. What's great about this position is that it's designed for individuals with a high school diploma or equivalent. While healthcare-specific training is a bonus, it's not required. So if you have a knack for interacting with people and a willingness to learn, this could be an excellent opportunity to break into the healthcare field. Friendliness, professionalism, and strong communication skills, both verbal and written, are essential to succeeding in this role. Equally important is empathy. The team values candidates who genuinely care about patients and bring that compassionate touch to their work. Beyond people skills, this role requires a certain level of independence and reliability. You'll need to be self-motivated, detail-oriented, and able to maintain confidentiality in compliance with HIPAA and other relevant healthcare regulations. Given that this position is entirely remote, you'll also need a dependable high-speed internet connection and a quiet private workspace to ensure you're set up for success. The position is part-time with a commitment of up to 20 hours per week, making it a good fit for those looking for a flexible schedule. Shifts are organized into 4-hour blocks on weekdays, giving you some consistency while still offering flexibility around other commitments. Please note, however, that this role is available only to residents of Alabama or Mississippi. If this sounds like a role you'd thrive in, it could be an exciting step forward for your career. Moving on to the billing and coding assistant. Even though the position is remote, you'll need to live in Alabama or Mississippi, as Dermatology focuses on delivering care that's close to its community. As a billing and coding assistant, you'll play a crucial part in the practice's healthcare mission. Your role will be all about ensuring accuracy and efficiency in the billing process. You'll handle the vital task of evaluating patient records to confirm the correct billing codes, which keeps things running smoothly for both patients and healthcare providers. Your day-to-day will involve posting and managing payments, tracking the status of insurance claims, correcting and appealing denied claims, and assisting patients with questions about their accounts. This work might be behind the scenes, but it's essential in helping Derek Dermatology deliver the seamless, patient-centered care that they're known for. While this role doesn't require years of healthcare experience, some basic training in healthcare can be helpful. What matters most is your positive, professional attitude and your focus on each patient's experience. If you're friendly, detail-oriented, and good at working independently, this position could be a great fit. Above all, you'll need to approach the role with empathy and care, handling sensitive patient information with confidentiality and following HIPAA guidelines. Since the role is remote, having a reliable high-speed internet connection and a quiet, private workspace is also a must. This is a part-time position with a flexible schedule. You'll be able to work shifts in 4-hour increments up to 20 hours per week, giving you the balance and flexibility you might be looking for. Plus, Derek Dermatology will provide the necessary equipment for remote work, including a secure laptop, monitor, headset, and webcam, so you'll be fully equipped for success. If you have a passion for healthcare, enjoy diving into details, and want to help patients from the comfort of your home, the billing and coding assistant position at Derek Dermatology could be the ideal role for you. It's more than just a job. It's a chance to make a meaningful impact every day as part of a team that genuinely cares about its patients and its people. Take time to check out these companies' websites and apply if you find anything interesting. Watch my other videos for more remote jobs and ways to make money online. I post remote jobs every day.